Hey, welcome to EvoDynamic. This is Brian, and today I'm going to tell you how to set up a new property in your Google Analytics account. All right, first thing you need to do to get into your Google Analytics account is just go to analytics.google.com and hit enter. It may make you log in and stuff if you're not logged in with your Google account yet. All right, once you're on analytics.google.com, it'll open up to one of your properties inside one of your accounts. Slide down the left bar menu to the Admin tab. Hit that up, and that is how you can create a new account or create a new property. You just click on that, and you can measure a web property, an app, or apps and web across both. So we're going to just simulate making a web property. Click Continue. Give it the website address name, the website URL. Select an industry. Pick your time zone and hit Create. You can only have 100 properties inside an account. So watch that and make sure you're organizing your accounts properly. And that is how to set up a property on Google Analytics. And thank you for choosing EvoDynamic, and you have a blessed day.